Hi Kuklas, it is Christina with Kukla Cosmetics, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to achieve this look. This is the second video that I am doing inspired by Anna Vissi from her album Antidoto. I will link down below the original video for this music clip so you can see the inspiration behind this look, and I will also link down below the first video that I did from this album. If you are interested in finding out how to achieve this look, continue to watch. As always, I'm starting out with my rose water toner. I like the skin to be a little damp for when I apply my hydrating oil. And I am applying a considered amount, and I'm applying some pressure to the face, and I'm working it in an upward motion so I can get some lymphatic drainage going on and I can depuff my skin. I am also applying it to my lips because I'll be using a matte and I want them to just look very supple and hydrated. Next, I'm using my Kukla Cosmetics Goddess Powder to prep the skin with a large fluffy brush. I'm working it into the cap and into the brush, and I'm buffing it all over the face, including the eyelids. This is going to prep the skin and it'll give us a really nice long wear for our makeup. Going into the skin with a BB cream. This one is by Jane Iredale. It's about a medium coverage. I love this. It doesn't feel like I'm really wearing anything, and it gives me such great even tone to the skin without really having to use a lot of product. I'm going in now and I'm zhuzhing up the brows a little bit with a brow pencil. I'm making them a little thicker, and I'm also extending the shape so they are a little longer. You can use your eye, go up in a diagonal motion, and that right there is the longest you can have your brow. So never extend the brow longer than the diagonal that the natural eye shape that you have has. Moving on to the eyes with a fluffy brush, I'm using a beauty powder that I actually made last summer. It has like a skin tone to it with a champagne satin finish, and I'm applying that from the lash line all the way up to the brow. Using my Sokolata Bronzer and a tapered brush, I am applying that to the outer corner of the eye and dragging it into the crease and working it slightly above the crease. I am packing it onto the lid because I am depositing color, and I'm slowly doing this. I'm picking up a little bit of color, applying it, and moving it back and forth. That way I can build the color intensity. And I am blending out any harsh lines and creating a very smoky, natural effect with a fluffier brush. Next, I am going in and cleaning up my eyeshadow, and I'm also brightening up my under eye. I am blending out the concealer with my fingers. I like the heat that my fingertip lets the concealer kind of melt into the skin, and it blends it very effortlessly. I really like using my fingers for concealer, and I'm just dragging it up into a diagonal motion to create a nice sharp shape with my eyeshadow. Finishing the eyes, taking the same tapered brush and Sokolata Bronzer, we're repeating the process of building color on the lower lash line. And the eyes should look something like this. Finishing off the eyes with some mascara. I like taking the wand and wiggling it at my base, and then dragging the product through the lashes, and then going in with like the tip of the wand and piecing them out. Finishing up the skin with Sokolata Bronzer and an angled brush, obviously on my cheeks. Can't forget the cheeks, I mean that's the most important part of bronzer. The jawline, dragging it down the neck. You want to just incorporate that little kiss of color all over without looking like you changed the color of your skin. So everywhere the sun would naturally hit you. Go as crazy or as subtle as you would like. I like that good like 90s brown vibe. With Sokolata Bronzer again, I'm going to use this as my base for my lip. So I'm going in with the same brush I used for my eyeshadow, and I am just buffing it onto my lips very effortlessly. The whole theme here with this look is just effortless. Everything is smoky, nothing is perfect, no defined, crazy lines. Everything is just very forgiving and easy. So using the bronzer as a base will provide a really long wear for my lipstick, and it will also incorporate that same color palette. I'm finishing off the lips with a lipstick by Ritual de Feel, and there we go, honey. All right, this is the finished look. I love this. I feel like you can pull this off any event, day or night. It's a very neutral, beautiful eye that just really kind of focuses on the lashes, and a beautiful fall lip. This is like a burnt orange brown color. I absolutely love it. It's very similar to the color Anna was wearing in the music video. I hope you guys like this series of videos. It's super fun, and I feel like it's perfect for Halloween because I get to recreate myself into a different Anna Vissi alter ego every week this month. And stay tuned, the third week in October, I will be revealing my actual Halloween look this year, which is really exciting, and I can't wait for that. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any beauty icons that you would like me to recreate their look, leave them down in the comments below, and I will try to do them for the future. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Φιλάκια!
Μέθησαν τα αυτιά μου και νομίζουν πως ακούνε, να μου λες πως μ' αγαπάς. Μεθυσμένη μου καρδιά, άλλου σου λέω κι αλλού με πας, κι όλο σε βρίζω. Μεθυσμένη μου καρδιά, πάλι στον δρόμο